Hello everyone, today I'm out going to teach about how to use QGIS. And QGIS is a geographic information system, and which is a software free for everyone to use it. And first, we have to um, make a new project over here. And you see this a blank page. And so we have to type world so that it will show the world map over there. And it just only the world map, it doesn't have anything, so we have to insert OpenStreetMap. And after that, you can see there's a country and some street and some land was shown over there. And if you want to uh, make it an outline, you have to double click the world map. And with the outline, this one, and you see nothing was changed here, right? Because the OpenStreetMap was overlapped with the world map. So if you put it down, and you can see there's an outline of world map over there. So you can also change the transparency of the world map, no, of the OpenStreetMap, so you can see the outline was over there. Yes. So our topic about today is making a map about Hong Kong. So, for example, oh yes, there is a Hong Kong government website which includes a lot of data, and in Google we can type CSCI portal, and then in here you can see there's lots of different data, but today we would do just one only. For example, the population. Okay. And you can see there's a lot of different boundaries of new towns, for example, in different years. And to compare the population, we will choose the 2006 and 2021 for the very obvious uh, comparison. And so after you click in here, you can see here is the link of WMS. And we go back to QGIS here. In the WMS here, you right click it and press new connection, and you have to rename it like 2006 population and put the link over here. Okay, and then as you can see, we will have a new map over here, and we double click. Yes, and the pink one is the 2006 population of the new towns, and it's cover a lot, right? So we can change the transparency of it. Here's transparency, and you can pull back a little bit. So you can see there's a pink area covered, while you can also see the place name and some roads under it. And we do the same thing again for the for the 2021 population. And copy again. Go back here and insert another new connection and rename it. Okay, so now you see there are two different things, right? But it totally covered the pink layer. So uh, we have to change the transparency of it again. And okay. So as you can see, these are here some green one and the pink one overlap. And I think the transparency can be more, and so it will see more easily. Okay, so you can see this part very obvious, right? And the green one is the new town in 2021 where people live. But in 2000 2006, there are no people living over here, this part. So we can do a comparison by lower the transparency of different things, right? As you can see, this part, we can do a little comparison. So here's the thing, another new thing. For example, you want to make a polygon by yourself, so you can just random example. For example, you insert the campsite in country park. As you can see, the green spots are the campsite in the country park. And how can you make a polygon? First, you can press the layer and create layer, and then you can see there are new shapefile layer over there. And file name, you just random name it like campsite, and you can geometric type change for polygon and press OK. And then you have to press the pen over here and the polygon. So you have to link the polygon by yourself. Let's say just random make different things. Oops. Yes. There's a bit cases over there. So like, yeah, I think it's okay. And you name it like 0. Okay. Oops. As you can see, there are polygon about the campsite of here, but it's also cover a lot, right? So we did the same thing again. We can either lower the transparency of it, this one, or we can change different style. For example, I like this one is right, is a bit colorful. So we can just transparency lower it and press OK. Yes, and then you can see these beautiful things is the polygon that we made, and which is include the campsite area. We just link the campsite together. So, but our topic today is just doing the population. So we can just remove the tick over here, and we will just left the, oops, oops. Okay. So, okay. So we will just do the population comparison, and you want to make a PDF of it, so we can move to the suitable size, and then press the layout loader here. For example, screen Instagram. Okay. And it will load the map, and it's exactly what is just shown. Um, yes, and you click the title, and if you want to change the title, you can just type it here. For example, name it like 2006 and 2021. Population compare. And then you have to insert. Oops. Oops, wait a minute. Refresh. Yes, and you can see the title are refreshed here. And there are some English, I don't know what does it mean. And you don't want it, and you can just delete it. And delete it. And then you refresh it again. Yes, and this is a beautiful map you just made by yourself. And so if you want to make it as a PDF and save it, you can right click over here. And then yes, just random save on something and name it like population compare. And yes, you're done. You're finished that part of it. And here is the really simplest way to make a map, and the teaching is about end to tier. Thank you for your listening.